today I'm going to be unboxing my Peter Pan Loungefly. I got this from Hot Topic. Now, something was wrong with their website and I wasn't able to have any orders go through. I don't know if any of you had the same problem. I had like a lot of hot cash and rewards to use and I was getting really frustrated. And then they canceled a lot of my orders, and then the one Loungefly I originally ordered, they canceled that and then it went out of stock. I was so upset, especially because I got that and that retails for like $49.90 or something like that. And then I got a pack of scrunchies that retail for $10.90, and then a sweater that was on sale for my sister for $12.90. I got all of that for $24.90, and then they canceled the order. I went to go look for the Loungefly again. It was canceled. It was out of stock. So I was upset. So I called and asked if they could do anything about it, but they couldn't. So I was really mad. You don't understand. Like a $50 Loungefly and then all those other items for $24, like all together. You can't beat that. So then I was like, whatever, you know, I'm gonna go back on their site and see what else I can find. So I went on their site and then I saw this one. Then I also got a pack of scrunchies, the one that I originally ordered but they canceled on me. And let's see, are we in focus? Okay. So I found another Peter. Oh my god, this is stunning. Let's get the address away from here. Oh my god. Are you kidding me right now? No way. I made another order as well. I ordered the Lilo and Stitch Loungefly and I got that for $24.90 from $50 as well. And this top is driving me crazy. It's like super cute, but it keeps like falling down. And then my mom got me Ritas earlier and it spilled on my top, so I have a little dot on there with cherry ice. Great job, Sam. Every time I get iced coffee, I do the same thing as well. I don't know. It's a problem. I gotta do a photo with this bag, like, ASAP. Oh my god. Look at this bag. Look how stunning that is. $24.90? Does it have any details on the back? No. Oh, that's cardboard. I was gonna say, okay. Well, no, it still doesn't, but it doesn't matter. Whatever. It's so cute. I love this. Oh my gosh. And the front pocket is pretty wide. Look at that. Whenever I buy Loungeflies, and I mean, I know they usually have like big ones, but then they call them the mini backpacks. So I do like to carry a lot of things, to be honest. Self-control, but I was like, what you call it? I always like to look up reviews before I buy bags. And let's see. And I like to see like how much space it has and stuff, because even if it's cute, I mean, I need to make sure that I'm going to get use out of it and not just buy it and it won't hold my things. That makes no sense. So this will definitely hold my items. I am obsessed. This is on Hot Topic site, by the way. This video is not sponsored. So if you guys are loving Loungeflies and you like Disney, they're always having sales, and look out for the hot cash. And I mean, sign up for the rewards program, because I'm a VIP member. I get $2 shipping and then I get rewards like crazy. And with Box Lunch, I get $1 shipping and I get rewards like crazy on there as well. So I'm pretty stoked about that. So my loves, let me know what you guys think about this Loungefly down below. I will be unboxing the Lilo and Stitch one once it comes. I don't really buy a lot of Loungeflies because I collect so many different things, as you guys can tell, and I just don't think that I'd have room. But I was like, you know what? I don't care. You live once, and I love Loungeflies. I love Disney bags because being normal is vastly overrated, loves. And I was like, I just want my Loungeflies, and that's a steal that I got them for, so you can't beat that. I can't wait to unbox the next one, but let me know if you guys will be getting this bag down below, or if you already own it. I did order a really cute sparkly Tinkerbell adorable keychain on Etsy to put on my bag, so I can't wait to do that. So with all of that said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notifications bell, that way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.